Hello, good morning everyone mga ka-survivor. I will do jogging today. Hindi na ako nakapag-jogging ng mga ilang days or ilang weeks na rin. Pero nag-exercise ako sa loob. So ngayon I will start jogging. I will go to there. Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Good morning everyone. It's exactly 7 a.m. I will start to walk. Maybe I will go to Dali. Just do jogging. So today is a nice weather. Thank you, Lord. Ako po ay brain tumor survivor. 2 months bedridden and 2 months using cane. Thank you, Lord. Ito na ako ngayon. I can walk. I can do jogging. And nakakapagluto na din ako. Nagagawa ko na yung dati kong ginagawa. Thank you po. Dito na ako sa may basketball court. Sa may park. Andito na ako. So 9 minutes. 9 minutes walk lang. Mabilis lang. Medyo mabilis na ako maglakad ngayon. Thank you, Lord. Ganda na ako maglakad. Then I'm gonna cross. I'm about to go to Dali, but I didn't have cash. So it's just until here. Yeah, here. Just turn around. Turn around. Just turn around. Burning po. Just turn around. I'm gonna leave here at 7:30, so I still have 8 minutes remaining and I will continue.